Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to show you these really cool replacement items that I have here for my Barbie dream house. Some of the pieces that I had when I got my daughter her dream house, they were not with it because I did get it secondhand. So I was able to replace the toilet and fireplace. It comes together, which is really nice. So you get two pieces. The toilet makes noise, which is really cool. The fireplace too, it has two different sides. So the one side you have a fire, and then the other side it's like a bookshelf cubby. So you can have it however you want to have it in your room and in your Barbie dream house, which I really like. The battery, you do have to get batteries for the toilet is what I'm trying to say, so that it's able to make the flushing noises. I like that the lid opens and closes, so it's kind of realistic for your child, so they feel like they are actually having their toy go to the washroom if you want them to. But that's the whole fun of playing Barbies and a big Barbie dream house. That's just my point of view.